This is the handy GWS 7 Professional. It offers easy handling and high power of 720 watts. The GWS 7 Professional impresses with the slimmest grip circumference in its wattage class. This makes it good to hold and ensures comfortable working. Thanks to its powerful 720 watt motor and its weight of only 1.9 kilograms, this compact angle grinder is the optimum tool for demanding work. The flat gearbox head ensures comfortable working even in tight spaces. Experience for yourself the GWS 7 Professional with the slimmest grip circumference and a powerful 720 watts.